Good morning. This is a champion. For today's lesson, we are going to look at parts of the computer. But first of all, we'll be looking at what a computer is. And we'll look at some examples of devices that are called or classified as computers. I hope some of you have computers in your homes and you know what a computer is. Can you tell me what a computer is? Okay, we can say that a computer is a machine. A computer is a machine. As it works the same way as a machine. By that all, is a computer just a machine? In this lesson, we will know what a computer is and some examples of computers. So at the end of this lesson, you should be able to be familiar with computers and some examples of devices that are classified or referred to as computers. Now let's start. When we talk of a computer, or when we say a computer is a machine. It's a machine, but it's a machine that uses electricity. So we can say that a computer is an electronic device because it uses what? Electricity. So a computer is an electronic device that accepts data, processes the data, stores the data, and gives out information. So that's the work of a computer. It accepts data from the user, processes the data, stores the data, and gives out information. So whenever we type on a computer keyboard, whatever we type on a keyboard goes into the computer as zeros and ones. That means 0, 1, 0, 1 in that order. So that's how the computer accepts whatever we type on the keyboard. Now when this goes into the computer cannot just display it for us to see, because 0 and 1s will not be understood by the one using the computer. So the computer will work on the zeros and ones and produce what we know we typed on the keyboard. So assuming you are typing your name, Efia, Amma, Kwame, whatever you type on the keyboard, you know that you have typed a letter, but the computer accepts it as zeros and ones. It will work on that 0 and 1s and gives you the information which is normally seen on the monitor screen. And that information will be the name we typed on the keyboard. So that's how the computer works. It accepts data, that's the input, whatever we feed into the computer, processes the data, stores the data, and gives out the information for the user to either see or hear. So the computer helps human beings in doing their work. The computer is a machine or a device that helps human beings or users in doing most of their works. When it comes to typing of letters, typing of notes, we can use the computers. We can also use the computer in performing mathematical calculations. Children also use the computer in playing of games. So the computer helps a lot. Now let's look at some examples of computers. We have desktop computers. We'll have a look at how a desktop computer looks like. The next one, we have laptops. Laptops are also computers. we have mobile phones. Mobile phones are also examples of computers. The next one, we have tablet PC. So tablets that we use in our homes or are being used by our parents are also examples of computers. We have iPhones, iPads, and so on. So we have many devices that work the same way as the desktop computers, and they are also classified or called computers. So any device that accesses data, works on the data, and gives out information is classified as a computer. Now let's have a look at the ones we have mentioned over here. We'll first look at what or how a desktop computer looks like. We have this one to be a desktop computer, and you can see that it's having many components or parts. So that's what we'll be looking at in our next lesson. We can see that the desktop computer has many other parts coming together to form the computer system. So next week we'll be looking at all the names of these parts of the computer. Now let's have a look at the next example of computer. So we have this one to be a laptop. A laptop is also a computer. It works the same way as the desktop computer, but they have different design and they have different sizes. And the next one, we have mobile phone or smartphone. So the mobile phone we see our parents using are also examples of computers. They also accept data, process the data, store the data, and gives out information. To the smartphone, as we can see here, is an example of a computer. Now the next one, we have the tablet PC. So we have a tablet here connected to a keyboard. So the tablet is also an example of a computer. The next one, we have iPad. So this is how an iPad looks like, and the iPad is also an example of a computer. Now for your exercise, you do this and submit on the website. The first one is, what is a computer? So you tell us what a computer is. You write the definition for a computer. We said is a machine or an electronic device that accepts data, processes the data, and produces information. The second one, you write down 3 examples of computers. So you give 3 examples of devices that are classified or referred to as computers. Then number 3, you draw the desktop computer. So you draw it nicely and send it to your website. We'll end our lesson here and continue next week, Monday. Bye.